Hi guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best travel adapter you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with video. Number 1. BESTEK Universal Travel Adapter. Versatility and lots of power options. These are the best features of the BESTEK Universal Travel Adapter. It charges 7 devices simultaneously, 4 USB charging ports with a combined 6A output plus 3 AC ports. The USB outputs are completely isolated from the AC power to keep the adapter from overloading and keeps all devices safely plugged in. As mentioned earlier, if you're heading to a country with a different mains power voltage to your home country, you need to carefully check the specifications of whatever you plan to plug into it. If it can't handle the new voltage on its own, you'll need a voltage converter to avoid damaging it. This BESTEK model converts the 220-240V standard commonly used in Europe, Asia, and Oceania to the 110V supply used in North America and a few other places. It's not designed for high-draw devices like hair dryers and straighteners, but smaller gadgets like electric toothbrushes should be fine. Its Smart ID and quick charge features ensure the most optimal current and speed for any kind of device. The detachable power cord is 5 feet long and fitted with an EU plug. The adapter comes with plug adapters for Oz, US, and UK. The adapter is only ideal for charging devices. The adapter does convert all countries' voltage to 110V. But it cannot be used for appliances rated at voltage 220 volts to 240 volts AC. The adapter is only meant for 100 volts 120 VAC products. Pros. Several safety features. Simultaneous charging of up to 7 devices. Converts. Cons. Only meant for 100 volts to 120 volts devices. Number 2. Epica Universal Travel Adapter. Here's a sleek adapter that functions as good as it looks. The Epica all-in-one charger can charge up to 5 devices in one go. 2 USB ports at 2.4A for tablets and cameras, and 2 USB ports at 2.1A for mobile phones, plus an 8-pin AC socket for almost any kind of plug design. It also comes with a nifty travel bag to keep the adapter and its 2 feet detachable power cord. It's also packed with several safety features. The safe shutter inside the socket is dust-proof and is anti-electric shock. The internal spike and surge protection circuitry protects devices and the adapter itself from overloading and overheating. It has adapters for Oz, EU, US, and UK sockets. There is a slight problem with the UK plug and can come loose from the wall. As with other travel adapters, this is only meant for 110 volts devices like gadgets. High-powered appliances are not meant to be plugged to this adapter. If you encounter any problems, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee and 1-year limited warranty. It's not often you find a pocket-sized adapter that caters to 6 different devices. The Epica is quite well designed and will latch onto your wall socket quite well, unlike some other adapters that loosen up the second any weight is applied. This practically weightless option is great for those who like to travel light and travel far. It comes in a small pouch where you can even tuck away small USBs if need be. Pros. Comes with a travel bag, dust-proof and anti-electric shock features, 30-day money-back guarantee and 1-year limited warranty. Cons. Does not convert voltage. Number 3. Septics World Travel Adapter Kit. Do you like the sound of the Septics 12-piece plug set, above, that lets you only take the plug adapters you need for your trip, but also need to charge a bunch of devices at once? The company's World Travel Adapter Plug Set lets you do exactly that. This all-in-one set comes with a multi-outlet adapter that includes 2 Type B, North American style, outlets, 2 USB-A sockets, and an inbuilt micro USB cable. In total, you can power up to 5 devices at once. 13 different plugs are also included, which clip on and off the back of the adapter and cover travel in most countries from Afghanistan to Zimbabwe. If you're planning a trip to New Zealand, for example, you'd grab the charger and type iPlug and be on your way. The product page has a full breakdown of the countries covered by each plug. The adapter has built-in surge protection to help shield against voltage surges and spikes. There's also a voltage indicator on the charger, so you'll see the 220V or 110V light illuminate when the adapter is plugged into the wall. The kit also comes with a drawstring bag, fitting several, but not all, of the adapters inside to help keep them together. The only downside is that while the plug side of the adapter is universal, the socket side isn't, so your mains powered devices need to have Type A, B plugs. Pros: covers almost everywhere in the world. Can charge up to 5 devices at once. Handy clip-on plugs. Pouch included to keep plugs together. Cons: no USB-C sockets. Number 4. Foval International Travel Adapter with 4-port USB. While many modern devices are capable of transitioning automatically between different voltages, some aren't. This is where the Foval power step-down converter comes in. It converts 220 240ths volt to 110 120ths volt, allowing you to use your single voltage American appliances safely in Europe. Appliances that require over 200 watts are the exception to this rule. The converter comes with a European power cable in addition to 3 removable adapters for the US, THK, and Australia, so that you can use it for other trips as well. As with the BESTEK voltage converter, this Foval voltage converter provides a near-universal design, spanning support for over 150 nations across the globe. It has an identical maximum wattage, providing the 200 watts of power you'll need to charge laptops, smartphones, cameras, and similar devices. But what really sets this device apart is the highly compact design, which is slightly better suited to traveling alone than with others. With 2 standard US plugs and 4 5V/2.4A USB port, you can charge an array of devices at the same time. Just make sure that the total wattage doesn't exceed 200. The power converter automatically shuts down to prevent overloading, overheating, or short-circuiting, keeping you and your appliances safe. It measures 4.8 by 3.1 by 1.5 inches and includes a detachable 5-foot cord for easy packing. Number 5. Syncwire Travel Power Adapter. The Syncwire is definitely our pick for the best travel adapter for smaller devices like phones and tablets. This lightweight USB charger plug offers some amazing benefits over a simple converter pin. It has alternate 1A, great for phones, and 2.4A slots, which are perfect for tablets and other devices. What we really liked in testing was the speed with which this was able to charge 4 devices simultaneously. Technology like the Samsung Rapid Charge doesn't work with this, but there are plenty of benefits in going with this option from Syncwire. It also comes with a lifetime warranty. The main advantage is that it significantly reduces the number of charger heads you need. This travel power adapter also makes sure you are not waiting in line to charge your devices one at a time. The convergence keeps you from having a zillion wires all over the room or hostel. This model also has Smartic Tech, which ensures the current is adjusted to match the device's requirements for the fastest charge possible. Don't worry about this device overheating, either, because it has a thermal limit and regulator built in. This ensures that the charger does not overheat and keeps your devices safe. We also noticed that the customer service is great. Pros: extremely fast charging thanks to the Smartic. Highly portable. 3-year warranty. Great for charging multiple devices when backpacking. Cons: can be used only with USB charging devices. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.